Hi, I'm Wanqing Yang, and this is my final presentation of IMS 452. Through research topic list and thesis proposal, identified the problems that I want to solve in this semester. Many exam work are just submitted to Canvas as an assignment, how to get a chance to show it. And the solution I found is to do a free online design portfolio website for Miami students. Students can post their finished work as well as idea generation and concept sketches. If students post their work in this website, they won't need afraid they will lose their work. It also can help them review and improve organizational skills. Through literature review and competitive analysis, I did a lot of research. First, I searched some online portfolio websites like Joby and Behance, but I found there are almost no website just for college students. I also interviewed 10 students from College of Creative Art. The results show they are more willing to trust their own university website and are willing to show their work on it. Based on these two research, I started my design. First, I used Illustrator to do a mock-up of the website, since it should be a Miami's website, so I decided to use Miami's logo. And this is the home page called Discover. We can view the work of other student posts. And here is my work page. It's like a portfolio. You can see all the work you post and a brief introduction of yourself. And when you click a work, you can see the idea, concept, sketch, and finished work. And here is a contact page. According to the prototype I designed, I completed the final hand-coding website. Let's take a look. Here is the home page, and you can see the slide showing here. And now you are not logged in, so you must log in to view the works. You can click the sign in and register account. Put your username. And you can see here the email limited to Miami student. And you can put the password. And click the register. And now you can log in. Click the login. Now you are in the Discover page and you can see the other students' work. And if you want to post your work, you can click the My Work and create a new work. And you can post the work title and work describe and choose a file. Let's choose a file. We can upload an image and click Submit. Now your work will show in the My Work page. And you also can see your work in the Discover page in here. And if you have any question, you can click Contact and put the content and click Submit. And you will go back to the Discover page and you can continue to view others' work. And after completing the website, I conducted 2 usability tests. They are all Miami University students, and they are very successful and completed all the basic tests. I sum up the advantage of my website from the answer. The first is easy to register for account and post work. The second is the idea of the website is very great. Students are able to showcase their own satisfactory work. And they also have some expectation for my website. However, the hand coding, the coding part is a little bit difficult to me, so I use InVision Studio to showcase the functions that need to edit. Let's take a look. Here is the Discover page. You can click the work, and you can see her idea and concept sketches. You also can like her work and post a comment. Then you can click here to go back to the Discover page and continue to view. In the future, I hope by learning, I can implement this function in my hand coding website and hope to make it public. Thank you for watching.